Don't just recycle, create value. It's in the DNA of what we do to achieve success at eFACTOR3. Our team of industry experts bring over 200 years of accumulated knowledge in the field of improving recycling processes. From single machines to complete systems, we can provide a customized solution tailored to your company's goals and needs. We offer an innovative and flexible line of equipment designed to handle even the toughest waste and plastics applications, representing some of the world's finest equipment manufacturers. Known for their pre-shredding and fine shredding, M&J equipment is crushingly reliable when it comes to stationary and mobile shredding. These powerful machines can be found in everything from waste processing facilities to plastic recycling plants and many other challenging applications. Westeria manufactures innovative wind sifting and conveying technology, as well as bunker systems and material distribution equipment. Their patented wind sifting technology allows the separation of heavy fractions from light fractions in one easy step, and even allows liberated film labels to be separated from hard plastic bottles. Looking to turn your plastic waste into finished end products? We've got you covered. The one-step extrusion system by Maas Austria is the only extrusion system that combines recycling and compounding into one. Maas also excels in dry cleaning equipment with modern, economical alternatives to wet wash systems. Cryonborg infrared drying systems allow you to heat, dry, and crystallize materials in minutes, while significantly reducing energy consumption. With the IR Fresh system, Cryonborg has developed sophisticated technology for odor reduction from post-consumer plastics. We also offer EcoStar screens and electrostatic separation with Hamos. With our detailed knowledge of environmental engineering and equipment issues, we're here to help you extract the most value from your waste and recycled materials. eFACTOR3 is your trusted partner for all your recycling needs.